Hello, my name is Alan Peabody and I'm a store manager with London Drugs. This year I had an opportunity to come to the Match seminar in Nanaimo, and I must say that for managers like me where recruiting and retention is a big part of our job, learning practical ways to incorporate people with disabilities into the workplace is a real useful experience, and I found that there's lots of opportunity to network and to learn some of the practical applications, and I would recommend anyone who does a lot of recruiting or retention type work to look seriously at people with disabilities, and Match is a great place to come to learn about that.
My name is Sandra Poirier and I attended the Match conference today. I work for CIBC and I'm looking forward to trying to fit some of these people inside of my corporation.